Hi, I'm Hillary with Helping of Happiness. We are obsessed with these homemade Pop-Tarts that we are going to show you today. They have this yummy golden flaky crust. It's a homemade pie crust, and then they're filled with these tangy berries and this yummy frosting that goes on top. And then you can even do sprinkles if you want to. My kids love doing the sprinkles. These would be really great for Valentine's Day breakfast or after school on Valentine's Day for a really cute, fun snack. And I hope you love them as much as we do. So one reason why we made these Pop-Tarts from scratch instead of just buying them from the store, because that is easy and they're fun and tasty too, is my daughter has a soy allergy and there's soy in pretty much everything. So we make a lot of things from scratch when she is with us, and this was one where the homemade version was just leaps and bounds tastier than the store-bought version. So go try it and then tell us in the comments how it turned out for you. Share this with your friends if you think they would enjoy this as well.